Welcome to The Source, 60 seconds of social media helping take your business to the next level in the modern world.
So you keep hearing that you should be making video content, but maybe you don't want to be on camera. Well, I've got you covered. This month, we're talking about 3 easy content ideas that all include B-roll content. B-roll content is all of the footage that isn't the main action, meaning these are short clips that you can play in the background while the important stuff happens over it. You can use these B-roll content ideas with a voiceover or even just a text overlay. So let's get into the content ideas. 1. Share 5 reasons to move to blank. Choose your town or city and you have endless opportunities. 2. Share the stories of clients. You don't need to get into detail, but this helps remind people the important job that you have as an agent. I've got a great example of this down below this video. 3. Share how you got the job done. Did you have 45 showings? Did you have over 3,000 views on the MLS? Did you have 5,000 online ad views? Whatever it is, share how you got the job done. So try out these ideas and make sure to tag me in your next B-roll content.
And that's all for this month on The Source.